And we're back. Y'all, we're gonna meal prep. Well, I'm not gonna take y'all through the whole thing because that'll be a long video and I doubt y'all will watch it. So I'm gonna let y'all know my ingredient. First and foremost, pour y'all up a glass of wine, you know what I'm saying? Something less than 100 calories, okay? I got my wine from Kroger. And then we're going to do cream of mushroom chicken quarter legs. I had them soaking in some vinegar just about all day. So now it's time to cook them. And then we got ourselves some broccoli, nice and seasoned. You don't know what I'm saying. And then the brown rice. So this is what we're gonna do with all of this, y'all. Let me tell y'all. Set your oven to about 350, 400. I'm gonna clean this chicken, season it up. Once I clean it and season it up, we'll be back live. I'll show y'all what I did, but I'm going to put this over the chicken so it can be like sauce. I don't know if you all are a sauce fanatic like me, but I feel like that's where most of my calories come from the sauce. So if I can do me a little healthy little 100 per serving, and this is about 3 people, so this will last me about 3 days. So it's a win. That's about 25-ish, 26, 27 calories per serving. On top of the chicken is about 26 or 30 grams of protein. And then the rice, we're just gonna do a little handful for meal prep with some vegetables on the side. Y'all know we're gonna OD on the vegetables. So yeah, let's get meal prepping. I got all of this from Nam Duman. I'm sorry, City Market, Pleasant Hill. I got these from Publix, our local store right next to RBS. And then my rice from Publix and my broccoli from Publix as well. So I feel like this is gonna be a good 2-day meal prep. If you're anything like me, I can't really eat the same thing over after 2 days. So I'm working on it. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna meal prep for 2 days. But here's where the accountability comes in. On that 3rd day, we're either gonna have ourselves a salad. We can get some spinach, we can get some chicken breast, we can get some bell pepper, we can get some onion, and we can literally put it all in a salad and make a salad as our meal prep. You can have that twice a day. If you have protein shake, have your protein shake. If y'all wanna know more about what type of protein shakes to take, go ahead and leave it down below. I'll definitely recommend the best protein shake for any weight gain, management, toning. Like, I got you, but y'all have to let me know. So leave it down below. Say, let me know the details about the protein shake, Sam. Okay? All right, y'all. I'm gonna go and I'm going to clean my chicken. I don't think y'all want to watch me clean my chicken. I'm gonna clean my chicken, season it up. After I'm done seasoning it up, I will show y'all how it looks as I get ready to prep it and put it in the oven, and then I will show y'all the final product. So until then, cheers to RBS. We love you. See you. And we're back. We got the seasoned chicken. So what's on this, Sam? Italian season, some pollo. Let me just show y'all. All right. So we got some ground red pepper. You know what I'm saying? We got some minced onion. You know what I'm saying? We got some Italian seasoning. I feel like Italian seasoning go good on everything. And then we got some all-purpose seasoning. I don't really know how to pronounce this, but it's good. You just need a little bit of and you're good to go. All right? And we can't forget about our Creole seasoning. All right, so now we're going to bake this for about maybe 45 minutes to an hour and make the sauce for it. So I'm going to put the sauce, I'm going to make the sauce on the side, and then at the end I'm going to put it on top of the chicken. Probably in this sauce I'm just going to mix this with some water, so it can be a little what's it called, like watery, so it can go over the chicken so it don't be thick and gooey. And then put it back in the oven as well, maybe that's 5 to 10 minutes. So be patient, it's coming soon. Make the sauce. Cream of mushroom, we're only gonna use one. Gonna put it in here. Yeah. All right, now too much vegetables. So we're gonna put some vegetables in here. This again is from Publix. our local neighborhood, right? I guess water. All right, I'm gonna go with the water. Water that night, and we just gonna stir it up. It's like cream of mushroom soup with additions. So this is gonna go on the top, like at the end, and you do not need no seasoning because you have already seasoned the chicken very well. This meal is gonna be about, I'm gonna say, maybe 300 calories, maybe 300 to 400 calories max, 450. So now we're just gonna wait for the food to be done. But this is the sauce with the vegetables. No, like the end is literally the end. So we're gonna finish off with the food. Like we'll be back when I'm putting this on top of the chicken to bake it for an extra maybe 5 to 10 minutes and then be done. Okay, so our broccoli is done, but I want to put y'all on game with something. So this is how I make my chicken. I'm about to put y'all on game. So I use broth from, I don't want to tilt it over, but maybe right here. I use broth from maybe like, you know how we make turkey and like or even chicken, seasoned chicken, and it be like the sauce that's left over, I put it in a mason jar and I freeze it until I'm ready, because now I'm getting ready to have flavored rice. So I'm about to put y'all on game. You put that, and then you put a little bit of water, butter. I don't really do salt, but you could put a little bit of salt if you want. And I'm cooking brown rice, so it's gonna take a little bit longer. But yeah, that's my hack. If you don't like just boring rice, white rice, or anything like brown rice, you use the base of the chicken that when it's actually done cooking, like the sauce, the water from it, and then you put it in your chicken. Well, and put it in your rice, or use it as the base instead of water, because rice, we're gonna need water regardless, right? So let's use it instead of throwing it out. All right, y'all, so the broccoli, y'all know it don't have to take very long. Just gonna let it cook out a little bit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. All right, RBS, this is how it looks. As I put the dressing on the top, the rice and the broccoli is ready. So now we're just gonna put the chicken in oven, set to 475-ish. Let's go. Voila. Meal prep of the week completed. Got the broccoli. It tastes amazing, by the way. Then our brown rice. Seasoned brown rice, at least.